My name's Graeme, production manager here, so I've been at Anytype Trucks for 9 years now. Yeah, so pretty much just take care of the floor.
What do you think makes Anytype Trucks unique?
Professionalism, yeah, and the way the jobs come out, the detail to the work. Yeah, everything's neat and tidy, you know, it looks good straight away, you know, so the customer's happy, he gets a good product. I kind of get my hands in everything I can, just because I'm on the floor with the boys all the time, so I kind of need to know what's going on, and yeah, so yeah, I like to involve myself a fair bit. I've always loved building with my hands. I've tried other things, but fabrication is great. I love being able to start a job from the scratch and see it just progress and come out as a really, really well finished product.
Awesome. Cheers, mate.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Too easy.